this is Dietitian Purva Singh, and today we'll talk about certain food which will help you if you're having insomnia. What is insomnia? Insomnia is a persistent inability to sleep or stay asleep. Now, why this happens? See, for sleep, there are certain hormones, are responsible, like serotonin hormone, melatonin hormones, that these hormones helps us relax and fall asleep easily. So what happens when these hormones are not in balance in our body? We have problem sleeping. Now there could be two reasons why we are not able to sleep. First is emotional, mental reason. Because of stress we are not able to sleep. Maybe because of some emotional trauma, some stress in our daily life that we are causing our adrenaline hormones, the cortisol hormones high in our blood, and which will not let us sleep. Or it could be deficiency of some diet, some minerals, vitamins and minerals in your diet. So let's talk about certain foods which will help you fall asleep. The first is walnuts. Handful of walnuts 20 minutes before going to bed. Just take it, it will help you relax. Walnut has its own form of melatonin hormone. So it helps you, relax and sleep better. Then comes the vitamin B6. What does vitamin B6 do? Vitamin B6 makes amino acid tryptophan. Amino acid tryptophan is a precursor of melatonin hormone. So when you take vitamin B6, you have a good amount of melatonin hormone in your blood that helps you sleep. Now, what are the sources of vitamin B6? You can include potatoes, cereals, chicken, fish, beans, bananas and many vegetables. So include them in your diet if you are not able to sleep. You could be deficient in vitamin B6. Then comes the banana. Banana has magnesium, serotonin and melatonin hormone. Now, as the magnesium increases, it decreases the cortisol hormone. If you have a raised cortisol level in your blood, you will not be able to sleep. So, banana helps in decreasing the level of cortisol in your blood. Then comes the tart cherry juice. If you take 8 ounces of tart cherry juice twice a day, it will help you fall asleep nicely. Again, the same reason, the tart cherry juice increases the level of melatonin in your blood. Then comes the basil. You'll be surprised to know that basil has a sedative, and that sedative is called hydroalcoholic extract, and it is essential oil of basil. These are the two things that are the sedative in the basil, and basil also helps in removing indigestion from your body. Now you could be deficient in magnesium if you're not able to sleep. So how can you include magnesium in your diet? By including seeds, nuts, leafy greens. So many seeds, flax seeds, chia seeds, pumpkin seeds. Include seeds in your diet and nuts. Then comes the 7th is you have to eat at least an hour before going to bed, so that your blood sugar level is stabilized. Too high blood sugar, too low blood sugar will make you anxious and irritable, and you will not be able to fall asleep. Now, after doing all these things, still if you are not able to sleep, it's a nice remedy. You'll find this in every kitchen. You just have to take a glass of milk, warm it, add pinch of turmeric in it, and just take it, and you'll have a nice sleep. Nice, good night sleep. Why? Because milk has calcium. Now calcium again stabilizes the level of melatonin in our blood, and then it has amino acid tryptophan. Amino acid tryptophan produces melatonin hormone. So include all these food in your diet if you are having insomnia, and if you are there are certain yoga asana also, certain pranayam that will also help you in sleeping better. So include them also in your diet. I will just make a video, and then in the next video I'll tell you about the few asanas and the pranayam practice that will help you in sleeping better. So for now, just these are the few foods you have to include in your diet and sleep better and stay healthy. Namaste.